Okay, so I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know about the flooding here in Colorado. I'm gonna see how far down I can walk. Not sure how far I'll be able to. But I do want to show you the drainage ditch. I've been part of flash floods before, but nothing this bad. Here's the drainage ditch. This thing's normally about 3 feet wide, I'd say, and now it's about 30. It's like that on both sides. Hang on a sec. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a cigarette you should on? Thank you.
No problem. Here you go.
Thanks, bro.
No problem.
Yeah, I'm gonna see how far down I can get. It's insane. I mean, there's already been at least 3 lives lost that I know of. There may have been more. This Wilson is completely shut off at the moment from 8th Street at least down to 1st. But here is what I'm looking at right now. It's hard to see. The water is covering the entire road. Yeah, it's brutal. I mean, several people have already lost their barns, their houses. That used to all be one big old low spot, and now look at it. I don't think I can get up past these cones, but I'm gonna get as close as I can. It's one of them things that's surreal. You don't expect it. Yeah. That river down there is Big Thompson. Right where that bridge is, right over there, that's the Big Thompson. It's flooded almost to the bottom of the bridge. Well,
see, this is how high it was.
You have like watch it sink. Something falling on it.
that house, right back there. They got lucky. It's one of those things that you never expect to see, and when you do it, it's like, really? You know? I wonder if I can actually get up on the bridge. So if I can, I'll show you the river. But the water came up past here last night into this morning. And it's still flowing over the road. That's the scary thing. This is what happens. We got cleanup crews going. I just hope people who lost their houses or barns or any property, I hope they're okay. Yeah, you're about to see the Thompson. Ooh. They don't call it Big Thompson for nothing. Especially right now. I'm going to show you the east side of the bridge first, and then I'm going to show you the south side, or the west side, actually. Apparently some roads have collapsed already. Not sure how much longer my battery will last, but it'll last for enough. A big old backhoe behind me is just a little front end loader. Wow. Alright, you're about to see the Thompson. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not, but you will see it. Pardon me? That, my friends, is the Big Thompson. It looks like the footbridge is gone again. Don't know how well you can hear it, but that river used to be about half that width, I think. Now to the west side of the river. All this is just it's one of them things that you hear about but you don't think you'll see. Alright, there's a big chunk of wood right there. Oh, we got cops showing up. Probably gonna stay for us to clear off. Don't know, maybe not. Looks like he's going into the work zone. It's one of those things, man. And look at all that. Alright. That tree right there, probably at its base about as thick as my leg. I'm gonna see how far down I can get safely. Oh shit. All that too. I mean, right about there used to be a footbridge. And you can see how high it is up on the under the bridge. Those rocks over there, they're part of a little walking path. Little bike trail, walk path, whatever you want to call it. Those are about, they're about shoulder high on me. Yeah, that water came up real fast and we didn't even expect it. There's some more runoff right there. See, last night we weren't even able to get this close. They had it shut off of that. They had the road shut off of that drainage ditch. So it's just, what do we do to piss off Mother Nature? That's my question. Sorry about the shakiness of the camera. I'm constantly switching the screen from facing me to facing the other way, and facing back and facing the other way. But yeah, this is just insane. I mean, that on the other side of the river, that used to be a little pond. And now look. And we've got more people coming. Check out the damage on both sides of the river. It's just one of those things that I didn't think I'd see. Yeah, I don't know how well you can hear the river, but yeah, you can hear it. I mean, I can hear it from the house, and that's saying something. And look at all the people gathered, just to look at it and to take it all in. Sad thing is, it's still raining, and it's Friday the 13th. It's been raining since Monday now, and it's just, I'm pretty sure I already said this, but the main road up to Estes from Loveland is shut down. I-25 on the way up to Wyoming shut down. Several roads in Longmont, Loveland, everywhere shut down. And all that white stuff in the distance, that's all cloud cover. Hiding the mountains. I feel for a lot of people. I mean, it's something I never thought would happen. Thankfully, I'm in a supposedly safe place. But you can just see all the damage. We've got people coming left and right from the north and south on Wilson to see. It's just I honestly kind of want to take a swim in that river, but no. No, thank you. Current's too fast. I mean, we're looking... This river is probably about twice the width it normal. Nah, not even that. Probably a little under twice the width it normally is. And I guarantee you it's over twice the depth. I mean, we've got people FaceTiming with others. We've got people recording. We've got people taking pictures. Some people just it's hard to take in. I mean, just the damage that's going to be caused. All the money people are going to spend for repairs. My battery's doing good right now, so I probably got enough battery to walk up back to the house and talk and record and all that, but I know I'll keep going back from side to side of the bridge, but it's just I don't know if you can hear, but we got sirens in the background still. Now I wonder how well you can hear the water. We got a fire truck coming.
We were saying though, it sucks because you guys have the food on your side. All we have is Wendy.
I mean, it's just
Yep.
insane.
No, you can drive down the hill at Church and you get stopped there. So that's as far as you can go that way. Wilson's as far as you can go north. And obviously you can't go south or west either. We have a nice little box and it is funny. If you see these cars that swing squares.
Just got a text from my sister asking if I'm okay. I'm saying that I am. Just a little shocked. And I'm inquiring about my mom. I mean, it's just...
Starbucks. We have a Starbucks together. I'm sure the workers will hear you.
Hang on.
Firefighters are coming to clear everybody out.
Alright, I gotta go to that side.
All last, man.
Yep. Well, the firefighters came to clear us all out, so it's time to head back. I'm gonna let people know as I'm walking by that they gotta clear out. Yeah. Just so you know, emergency services are coming to clear everyone off the bridge. They're clearing everyone out of here. So yeah, I'm heading back. Oh, I think I see why. Part of the road collapsed, so yeah, definitely gotta head back. Wait, what? What's going on?
Yeah, and again, you want to tell them that's their propane filling.
Oh yeah. All right. Just so y'all know, emergency services are coming to clear everyone out of here.
Oh, alright. We'll try that.
Yeah. There's a propane cylinder sitting back there that could go off at any moment. Possibly. I'm heading back to the house now. I am gonna post this on YouTube. Just so y'all know, emergency services are clearing everyone out of here.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, that's reassuring.
I know. I mean, I think part of the road collapsed right here. Because I saw that front end loader kind of fall to one side a little bit.
Oh, that's great.
Are they letting people walk all the
Nope.
way there?
They're clearing everyone out.
apparently.
I mean, it's just crazy. So I'm heading back. I'm letting people know. They're not letting anyone back over there.
What?
They're not letting anyone over there. No. They're clearing everyone off of that area.
After you get up on top?
This whole area, I guess.
Yeah, I know, but if I
Good.
get up on top up there and keep on walking around.
I'll sit in the car. You call me when if you get past them and get picked up by somebody.
I got a business over there I want to try and get to. If I
Yeah.
get across here, I got somebody to pick me up.
All right.
You call me if somebody picks you up. I won't leave here until I hear from you.
Good luck. But I'm gonna let people know. They're not letting people over there anymore.
They're not?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're clearing everyone out.
I kind of figured when I saw everybody coming. So
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna take the other thing out.
I mean, they are clearing everyone out, so. I think that guy's got a war hog or something. Yeah, it sucks. Just so y'all know, they're clearing everyone out of that area.
Are they?
Yeah.
How come?
Just
Well-
to be out of there.
Yeah. Well, I think part of Wilson collapsed, and they're not too sure about the bridge, I guess. Yeah. But
Either way, we'll take a trip up the road a little bit. I was up there at a buddy's house up here where the reservoirs are all at.
oh wow,
Back up over here, and it's like,
brutal.
yeah, you can sit there and watch the trees get taken down and shit. Taking her to go see it.
Oh, there's a whirlybird coming.
Cool. You gotta take a picture of this too.
That might have been the one that saw me yesterday.
We got a whirlybird coming over there. Coming behind the trees.
Please evacuate the area.
Yeah, now they're saying to please evacuate the area.
Propane leak. When you're standing there, you whiff and you're.
Yeah.
It's big. It's pretty big. It just happened.
Let's keep moving. Please evacuate the area. This is not a safe place to be.
No shit! There's a propane leak! Of course it's not a safe area.
Bad as that movie.
See, there's the whirlybird. Yeah. It ain't a safe area. There's a propane leak. It could go off at any time, especially if there's a lit flame. I kind of regret having a cigarette sitting there.
I think.
Yeah, it's time to go. There's a propane.
I have propane leak.
I don't fancy getting blown into smithereens today.
Need some water?
Yeah. Well, I got about 15 minutes of footage, so I'm good. They're not letting anyone pass. They're telling everyone to keep moving. There's propane leak. I don't want to get hit with it. But look at everyone walking. We had a huge crowd gather over there. Yeah. They won't let you down there. There's a propane leak.
Is it really?
Yeah.
How that is?
Yeah, there's...
No? When it rains, it pours.
And when it pours, it floods.
I'm on vacation.
Oh man, from where? Tennessee? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Could be worse.
Yeah,
We
true.
Could be up in Estes.
Ah, you'd be stuck
where
up
we
there.
wanted to go.
You'd be stuck there right now.
Yeah, I know. It's horrible. I had a friend that's going to come go up there next weekend. I said, no, you're not.
That ain't good though. I mean, no one's allowed down. No one's allowed down. There's a propane leak. Everyone's got to keep moving up. It sucks. It's scary. We may hear an explosion later. I don't know. But they're not allowing people down because of the propane. If it were up to me, I'd go back down on the other side of daycare. But I don't want to risk anything. I don't want to risk getting in trouble. So at this time, I'm heading home. I will post more videos later. Not necessarily of this, but of something. And pray to God that no one else gets hurt. But that propane tank is out on the property of that house I showed you. I count about 40 cars just parked on the side of the road and in parking lots. It's insane, to say the least. I just hope no one gets hurt if it blows. Hang on. Yeah. I don't know if he's getting out or not. They're not letting people down there anymore.
Oh, really?
There's a propane leak.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I don't really fancy getting blown up today. It's just crazy how much happened within 24 hours. So I'm sitting here. Pardon?
Hopefully it goes away.
Yeah, soon. I'm letting people know that they aren't able to go back there when I see them park. Yeah, good. They left. No, they're just moving up to a better parking spot. Or not, they're leaving. Good. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, a lot of businesses are shut down today, obviously. No, they're just moving to a better spot. Idiots. They're gonna get turned around. But a lot of businesses are closed. A lot of devastation at the moment. The baseball parks up here are shut down. The schools are closed today, obviously. Just a lot of crazy shit. Thankfully, I live at the top of a hill, so I don't think I'm in too much danger. Hopefully. But yeah. I guess that's going to be it for today. But for all of you who pray or do anything like that, keep the families of those who are affected by this flood in your prayers or in your thoughts. It's hard. It's going to be hard for a lot of people, especially in a lot of the lower lying areas. Yeah. But I guess I will. I've got to log off, but battery's almost dead. But I will definitely put an update later. Hopefully no one's terribly hurt now. Hopefully it's just property damage left. But yeah, I will definitely post an update later on how everything's going. And until then, this is Chris, signing off.